Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey back with another video here of old school soul food YouTube y'all out there. Hey, today I'm doing a quick video here. It's very simple. This takes no time at all to cook. It takes really about an hour to cook, but it takes no time to prep. This happened to be my mom's favorite vegetable. And there's nothing nutritious about it, but this is my favorite vegetable for my mom. And she can eat this all day with some cornbread and nothing else. She loves this. Today I'm doing old school braised cabbage. Just all it is cabbage, bacon, onions, a little vinegar, salt, and pepper. That's it. You let it cook down till it's so tender. So let's get started here. I got my pot heating up. Got a little oil in the bottom. Gotta have that bacon. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sear this bacon off just a little. I mean, you can make it different ways. My mama, we used to raise it on when she used to cook it with salt bacon. This is regular, thick cut hickory bacon. Get it in the supermarket. I make cabbage so many different ways. Sometimes I use pig feet in it. I use neck bones in it. I use pigtails in it. It's however you want to do it. But today I'm doing it the original way. Everybody should love. Just with bacon and onions. I got like a half a pound of bacon in here. I love my bacon. Like I say, some people don't like pork bacon. You can use turkey bacon you want to, substitute or whatever. But I'm using my good old reliable regular old bacon. So we're going to break this up. Get it to cooking here. You don't have to cook it that long because this is going to boil about 45 minutes to an hour. Nothing like the smell of bacon sauteing. Okay, now I'm going to add an onion, like a half onion. You can use more if you like onion. You can also put garlic in there if you want to. You see, I don't use a lot of garlic in the recipes. I'm not a garlic fan. I mean, I'll use it in certain spots, in certain things that's necessary, but I'm not a big garlic person. Never have been. It's like I'm not a chocolate person. So I'm going to saute it up a little together with the onions and bacon. Sauteed onions and bacon. Nothing like good smell of that, huh? There we go. So easy here. Okay, now next thing I'm gonna do is very simple. I got one whole cabbage cut up. I took the core out, you know, a little white core. I took that out of there. And then I sliced them up, big slices. And I'm gonna just add this to the pot. Add about a little to the pot here. Mix that on up in there together. You know, cabbage has a lot of water to it, so I'm gonna add a little liquid to it at the end before I cover it with the lid. Cabbage is like 25% water. So you ain't gonna take a lot of water to this to cook this off. Okay, I'm gonna put salt and pepper in here. When people ask about my salt and pepper, I keep salt and pepper. All of this is 3 parts salt, 1 part white pepper. I use kosher salt and ground white pepper. That's what I always use in all my food. Okay, we're gonna put a little, I don't know why my mama did this, but it makes so much good. Put some white vinegar in it. You can put apple cider vinegar you want to. I always use white vinegar. We're going to put about a cup of water in here. Like a cup and a half of water. That's it. This is going to cook down slowly. It's going to cook down. I'm going to stir it periodically. But I'm going to just cover it and let it cook down and do its thing. And we're going to come back about 45 minutes to an hour. And we're going to have some awesome braised cabbage with the bacon in there and onions and a little vinegar, salt, and pepper. So we're going to cover this up, let it simmer for about 45 minutes an hour. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. I just want to show y'all the cabbage. Look at that. Nice braised cabbage. That's what you want. Nice and tender. You got the bacon in there. This stuff has been simmering for an hour. Nice and flavorful. Got the bacon in there, the onions. The cabbage is nice and tender. So I'm gonna adjust the camera here, and we're gonna come back here in a second. And we're gonna plate this up here with some cornbread, and that's the best thing. You don't need nothing else with this. This is a meal in itself growing up right here. But we'll be right back. All right. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, I'm gonna plate some of this here up. Put this up over here. It's really hot. Oh yeah. Nice. That's better than braised cabbage, y'all. Don't get no better than that. Okay, put some here on the plate here. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and tender. Gotta have some cornbread with this. Got me some cornbread here. Shoot. All it takes right here. Cornbread on that, just like my mama. This is my favorite meal right here. She don't need nothing else. Oh, I forgot something. I know I got some vinegar in there, but I need some. Gotta have some more pepper sauce on there. I love vinegar. I love pepper sauce and hot sauce. Gotta have hot sauce on there too. I have a little Louisiana hot sauce on there. Shoot. That's all it takes there. Let's try this. That's a meal there, y'all. Nice and tender. Oh my God. This is so good. You can't go wrong with this. Cornbread and cabbage. Braised tender and delicious. Bacon in there. Comfort food right there. Alright, y'all, you get this recipe thumbs up. Please comment. Please subscribe. And oh man, this is good. We got what I be saying. Please click that little red subscribe button. Please comment. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.